and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plants, Food for Longevity series, where we are discovering the health benefits from plants and nature in general. Today's nugget is almond, the fruit from the almond plant, and I'm going to go through the benefits and the drawbacks and then show you how we can incorporate this into our diet for healthy living and for longevity. So the first benefit of almond is that it's rich in nutrients, it's high in vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats, mostly monounsaturated fat. It's a good source of plant-based protein. It's good for the heart as well. It can help lower bad cholesterol, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support cardiovascular health. Also, almonds are known to lower the glycemic index, so it's good to balance our blood sugar level. It's great in magnesium, high in magnesium content that can help improve insulin sensitivity. It's also a great nut for weight management, although it's calorie dense, high in calorie, but it helps the stomach to be full due to its satiety effect, which means we are full for longer and have no need to eat in between meals. Then is high in fiber and protein, which help reduce hunger. The almond seed, the almond nut, is also good for the skin and for hair health. So it has vitamin E, antioxidants, which contribute to glowing skin that may reduce signs of aging. So if you are in your midlife, go for almonds to strengthen your hair and also your skin to reduce aging and get rid of wrinkles. So it's similar to the goji berries, that is a beauty food. Also, it helps to strengthen the hair with biotin and healthy fat. The other good thing about almond is that it's good for the bone health, contains calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which supports strong bones. Then it's good for brain function. Nutrients like riboflavin and L-carnitine may support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So this is a power nut for brain memory and to prevent things that cause us to have cognitive decline. So what are the side effects of excessive eating of almond? The first one is that it can cause digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or gas if consumed in large quantities, especially raw almonds with skin. Also, it's high in fiber, so it can irritate the sensitive stomach as well. Then is a nut. Obviously, most nuts are known to cause some people allergic reaction, including the serious one, which is anaphylaxis in some people that can cause them to have shock or even be taken to the hospital, and some would have injection that they carry to prevent such reaction. Also, weight gain is high in calories, so overconsumption can contribute to weight gain if not portioned properly. Then kidney stones, so those who are prone to having kidney stones should stay away from almonds because it's high in oxalates, which contribute to calcium oxalate kidney stones in prone individuals. Also, vitamin E overdose is if eaten in a very large quantity. Excess vitamin E from high intake of almond can lead to toxicity symptoms such as blood vision, diarrhea, or headaches. Then interference with nutrient absorption. Almond contain fastic acid, which can bind to minerals like iron and zinc and reduce their absorption. So these are the things that we need to be thinking of. These are the side effects of almond that we need to be thinking of: allergic reaction, digestive issues, weight gain because it's high in calorie, kidney stones. I must emphasize that. So if you are one that is prone to having kidney stones, don't eat almonds. And vitamin E overdose, don't eat too much so you don't flood your body with too much vitamin E, causing you blood vision, diarrhea, and headaches. So how should we now use almond? How do we incorporate it safely into our diet for those who can handle this wonderful nutrient-packed nut? A healthy serving is about 28 grams or roughly 23 almonds per day. So I know I've seen people who would just open a pack of almond like that and they just go through it in just 1 hour. But is not how it should be eaten. It should be counted, or at least take a handful, and that's it for the day. Don't be tempted to go back and get more almonds. So the way to do that is maybe have a variety of almonds and seed. So if you are picky, you can go for other ones like walnuts, or seeds like pumpkin seed or goji berries, things that you can mix into your diet, so you are not focusing on just one item. And be careful how you balance them out, so you don't eat the same thing that has similar nutrients on a high content level. So how then do we incorporate almond into our diet? The first easiest way is to snack on them. So just eat them and that's it. And we have this raw, you can have it roasted, you can have it also in your porridge, you could have it in baking goods, you could add it to your oats, your cereal, your yogurt, your salads, milk, soup, dessert, and also for facial scrub. This is a very good one for facial scrub because it has a lot of vitamin E. So you can use the ground almond or grind it yourself in maybe a coffee grinder, and then add a little bit of water and soak it overnight, and then store it in a safe jar to use later for facial scrub. This is quite good because of the high content of vitamin E in almonds. Also, you can have almond oil that you can use, maybe drip it over your salad in cooking as well. Favorite way to consume almond is in the milk. There is milk that can be extracted from almond, and the almond milk is an alternative to cow for vegetarians, people who are just maybe sensitive to dairy. So instead of cow milk, you can have almond milk. So almonds are very nice, full of nutrients that we can add to our diet for longevity and for health purposes. That's it for today on almonds. And if you are enjoying this series on food for longevity, wisdom from plants, please subscribe, share with friends and family, comment to get the conversation going, to develop and build a community, and keep on enjoying herbal life. And if you have unique recipes that you've used almond to create, drop recipes, ideas in the comments so that other people can enjoy what you're also doing on this journey of herbal life. I hope to see you again in the next episode. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.